Hi everyone! Today we're exploring the most dangerous animals in the world. They might look adorable, but they can be quite deadly. Grab your popcorn and let's jump in. Starting off at number 10, bees. Bees are very important animals. They help plants grow by spreading pollen from one flower to another. This is called pollination. Bees live in groups called colonies. They build their homes in hives, which are usually made of wax. Inside the hive, bees raise their babies and store food. Bees can be very helpful, but they can also be dangerous. When they feel threatened, they can sting you. Bee stings can be very painful, and they can even be deadly for people who are allergic to bee venom. Next is the mosquito. Mosquitoes are tiny, flying insects that can be very annoying, but they're also very dangerous. That's because they can spread diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. When a mosquito bites you, it can inject these diseases into your body. These diseases can make you very sick and even be deadly. To protect yourself from mosquitoes, you should wear long sleeves and pants, use insect repellent, and sleep under a mosquito net. At number 8, we've got the Cape buffalo. Cape buffalo are big, strong animals that live in Africa. They're known as the Black Death because they're very dangerous. They have sharp horns and can be very aggressive, especially when they're protecting their young. Many hunters have been killed by Cape buffalo. If you're ever in Africa and see a Cape buffalo, it's best to stay far away. At number 7, assassin bug. Assassin bugs are predatory insects that use their sharp proboscis to inject venom into their prey. This venom paralyzes and kills the prey. Assassin bugs are usually very small, but they can be dangerous to humans. If you're bitten by an assassin bug, it can be very painful. Next up is the great white shark. Great white sharks are the biggest sharks in the world. They're very strong and have sharp teeth. They're also very fast swimmers. Great white sharks are meat eaters. They hunt other animals like seals and sea lions. They're very dangerous animals, but they don't usually attack humans. If you're ever swimming in the ocean, be careful and watch out for great white sharks. At number 5, we have the lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle. They're big, strong, and have sharp claws and teeth. Lions live in groups called prides. They hunt together to catch their food, which is usually other animals like zebras and antelopes. Lions are very dangerous animals. They can be very fast and can jump very high. If you ever see a lion, it's best to stay far away. Next is the box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are very small, but they're one of the most poisonous animals in the world. They look like boxes made of glass, and they have long tentacles that are covered in tiny stingers. If you get stung by a box jellyfish, it can be very painful. The venom can make you feel sick and can even be fatal. So, if you're swimming in the ocean, be careful and watch out for box jellyfish. At number 3, African elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals on Earth. They're very strong and have big ears that help them hear their friends and family. They also have long tusks that they use to dig for food and protect themselves. Elephants are usually very gentle, but they can be dangerous if they're scared or feel threatened. Their tusks are very sharp and can hurt people. So, if you ever see an elephant, it's best to stay a safe distance away. Number 2 is the hippopotamus. Hippos might look funny and chubby, but don't let that fool you. They're actually very dangerous animals. They're big and strong, and they can run very fast. Hippos live in Africa, near rivers and lakes. They spend most of their time in the water, but they also come out onto land. They're very protective of their families and their territory. If you get too close, they might attack you. In fact, hippos are one of the deadliest animals in Africa. They've killed more people than lions. So if you ever see a hippo, it's best to stay far away. And finally, at number 1, the saltwater crocodile. Imagine a giant lizard, bigger than a car. That's a saltwater crocodile. It's the biggest reptile alive today. It lives in salty waters, like oceans and rivers. Its mouth is huge with lots of sharp teeth. It can snap its jaws very hard, like a powerful trap. When it hunts for food, it waits underwater, very still. When an animal comes close, it jumps up and bites it with its big, strong jaws. Saltwater crocodiles are very dangerous animals. They can be as big as a bus and have powerful tails that they can use to swim fast. If you're ever near a saltwater crocodile, it's best to stay far away. Well, that was quite a journey. We've learned about some of the most dangerous animals in the world. Remember, it's important to respect these creatures and their habitats. Let's work together to protect our planet and its amazing wildlife. Which one was your favorite? Let us know. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures.